guys, Jay, and I'm back with another video. So today's video is going to be a tutorial on how to draw on eyebrows. I said in my last video that I was going to do a tutorial on how to draw on eyebrows for thick eyebrows, because I think my eyebrows are like pretty full for the most part. But yeah, I think my eyebrows are pretty full for the most part, so I just want to just make a tutorial on how I fill them in without necessarily like drawing them on. But yeah, this tutorial is just gonna be how I just enhance my eyebrows. And in case you're wondering why every video my background is different, I'm just trying to find like different spots in my house that I want to film in. So I'm just trying to like test out new spots. I think I like this, but it's only because like the sun is out today. So yeah, before I get into this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn your post notifications on. I can't talk. But yeah, turn your post notifications on, and yeah, here we go. So today's tutorial is going to be really easy. You don't really need them. You only need 2 products. Well, I'm lying. So today's tutorial is going to be really easy. You only need like about 3 products. I'm going to use the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer, NYX Eyebrow Gel in the color Espresso. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then I'm going to use this Perfect Eyebrow Pencil. I got it from local beauty supply store. It has like a chunky tip on it, and I'm about to run out of it soon, so I need to get some more of that. But yeah, and then the brushes that you're going to need, I'm going to use this this small angled brush, and then I'm also going to use this also small like little concealer brush as well. Well, first I'm just gonna take, this is like a double-sided, like on this side it's like the crayon part, and then on the other side it's like a little spoolie. So I'm just gonna take that and just brush my eyebrows upward in the upward direction. And then I'm gonna take the NYX, I honestly don't know what's the proper way to pronounce it, but I'm gonna take that and I'm just gonna put a small little crumb size amount on the back of my hand, just like that. A little bit goes a long way. You really don't need a lot. So I'm just gonna take my small angled brush and I'm just gonna dip it, just lightly tap it in the back of my hand here. So I'm actually going to start by just underlining my brow. And I'm going to do the same for the other side. And I'm just using light strokes. I'm not being very heavy-handed right now. And I also learned that like a way to use lighter strokes is to hold your brush. The farther away from the end of your brush you hold your brush, the lighter your strokes are going to be. When you're holding your brush like this, your strokes are going to be more heavy-handed. So I'm just holding my brush at the end and just being real light, because you know I already got eyebrows here, don't need to overdo it. And to be honest with y'all, sometimes I overdo my eyebrows, like especially when they need to be done. I'm gonna take my spoolie and I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows down. And now that I brush my eyebrows down, you can kind of see where it needs to be filled in at. So I'm just gonna take the same brush and the same products, and I'm going to put it over. I'm just going to use the very, like, you see how it's slanted? I'm just going to use like the little tip of the brush. And I'm just going to fill something in right here. You notice how I'm just like using little strokes. I'm not bringing my strokes all the way to the tip of my brow, because if you want to have like that ombre type effect, you don't need to put it like all the way at the tip, if that makes sense. Now I'm going to take my pencil or my crayon basically, and let me comb my eyebrows back up. I'm going to just use light strokes and just fill in where I see the gaps at. So like, you see it didn't take much to fill my eyebrows in. Alrighty, so I bet you guys are like, she look crazy as hell, but I'm not done yet. So yeah, easy so far, right you guys? Now I'm going to take my Pro Longwear Concealer. It's in the shade NW40. So when I do my eyebrows, I really like to use the Pro Longwear because as you can see, I just pulled the stick out, but as you can see, it's like really like liquidy, so it's like spreadable. It's kind of harder to spread concealer when it's like has a thicker consistency. I will much rather have something like that is just looser so I can manipulate it better. So this part is just really important. I'm gonna start like kind of like the middle of my brows and work my way outward. And then I'm just going to start at the beginning. I don't know why, I just like to start in the middle of my brow. So I'm basically going to do the same as I did on this brow for this brow. So I'm going to start like in the middle, right up under my arch. So I know what you guys are thinking, this got a unibrow. But I'm gonna fix that. I'm gonna fix it. Don't be alarmed. So now I'm gonna take my concealer and now I'm gonna go over the top of my brows. You don't have to go over the top of your brows. I just like to. Well, hold on. Let me just align this, bring this up a little bit. There we go. So yeah, like you don't have to do the top, but I like to do the top as well. So I forgot to mention this brush, but I'm just going to take this Real Techniques brush. And I basically use this brush to just like buff out concealer. So I'm just going to buff this out. And another thing about this Pro Longwear Concealer, it will dry. Like, the longer you leave it sitting there, it's going to dry. And you're not going to be able to like blend it out. Like how it's doing right now, but it's okay. I think they look good. So yeah, you guys, this is the final look of the brows. Get a good look. I think they look pretty good, you know what I'm saying? It look pretty, you know, don't look too thick or whatever, because, you know, I already had eyebrows. I don't think they're too thick. But yeah, that was easy enough, right, you guys? So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and thumbs up this video if you like this tutorial. I will be back with more tutorials. I got a makeup tutorial coming up. That's going to be my next video. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.